So today I'm going to microwave bologna, or bologna. So take a slice, put it down. It's this like bologna made with chicken and pork, Oscar Mayer. So now we put it in and start. Can you hear it sizzling? It looks like a pancake. It's starting to curl up. See what happened. Ow. Hit myself in the head. Wow, it's hot. You can feel the heat. But now, look what happened to the bottom side. So, yeah, it's pretty charred. The middle is still pretty good. Not that I've tasted it, but the middle is still normal. But, looks like bacon. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Bye.